Welcome everyone. So today we are going to discuss the plan elevation section of a residential building. So for that question, the line diagram of the residential building will be given. Even for the commercial building, the line diagram will be given, which we have to convert it into plan, elevation, and section. Okay. So now in this line diagram, what is given to us is the dimensions of living room, dining, kitchen, bed, uh, second bedroom, and then water closets are given to us. So what is this dimension? These are the inner to inner dimension, that is 3 meter horizontally and 5 meter vertically. Okay, so for similarly for dining room, 3 meter horizontal and 3 meter vertical. For kitchen, 3 meter horizontal and 3 meter vertical. So such dimensions are given to us. Now this section will has help us in drawing the cross section of the building. Okay, so we'll discuss that later. So first what we need to do, we need to calculate the total horizontal dimension and total vertical dimension on the both the side. For example, if we have different walls over here as compared to here, so we need to make sure our walls are uh, according to the measurement. Okay, so first thing what we need to do, we need to calculate the measurement on both the sides. Okay, so what will be the total horizontal distance? For example, this is a 0.3 meter wall, so it will become 0.3 plus 3.3 plus zero point 0.3 plus 3 meter plus zero point 0.3, that will become 7.2. Vertically it will be 0.3 meter, 3 meter, 0.3 meter, 3 meter, 0.3 meter, 5 meter, zero point 0.3 meter. We have to make sure the wall thicknesses we should provide in such a manner that the dimensions on each side gets equal. Okay, so we have to check whether 0.3 meter wall is satisfiable, or we should go for 0.23 meter wall. Okay, so that's what we need to do. So first thing what we need to do, we'll take the boundary lines. First what we will do, we'll take a boundary line. So what is this total distance we have obtained is 7.2 meter. So this is what we aim for. Okay, so we'll draw it again once more, but this is what we need to aim for. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll take a line of distance somewhere here of 7.2 meters. Then vertically we have 12.2 meter, that is 12.2 meter. Then again 7.2 meter. Okay, so this is how we have created a boundary line. So now what we will do, we'll go for the next step. That is, we have to go for the rooms. Okay, so as you can see over here, we have got 3.3 meter by 3 meter room. Kitchen is 3 meter by 3 meter. So what we will do, we'll take wall thickness of 0.3 meter. So I've made a slight change here. I've taken 1.4 meter to avoid the complicated calculations. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take an offset of 0.3 meter over here at the top. That is, we have created a wall, outer wall over here as well. 0.3 meter wall over here. I think we have another wall here. 0.3 meter. Okay. Then we can go for 0.3 meter over here as well. Then what we have got, next thing is, we'll create this room, that is bedroom and kitchen, which are at a distance of uh, vertically at a distance of 3 meter, horizontally it is 3.3 meter, and it is 3 meter. Okay, so very simple. What we need to do, I'll take an offset of 3.3, enter. Then we'll take this over here. Okay, then offset of 0.3 meter, 0.3 meter, then eventually it will be 3 meter. This will become 3 meter. Okay, so then offset of 3 meter, then offset of 0.3 meter, like this. Okay, so what we have done now, we have created bedroom and kitchen. Now next what we will do, we will go for this dining. Okay, again vertically it is of 3 meter. Vertically it is 3 meter. So again what we will do, we will take an offset of 3 meter from the top, like this. Then we will provide a wall thickness of 0.3 meter. Okay, so we don't have wall over here, so we'll trim this portion and So now what I've done, in order to avoid the complications, instead of 1.6 I've taken 1.4. Okay, so here horizontal distance is how much? 2 meter, and 2 meter over here. Okay, so we'll take that 2 meter, offset of 2 meter in this line, here, and then trim this portion. Then we'll take a wall thickness of 0.3 meter. Then we can take 1.4 meter. Similarly 1.4 meter from the top. Okay. So then what we have got, next one is this living room, and then bedroom over here, which is at a distance of 3.3 meter. Vertically it is 3 meter. From this point it is 3 meter, and horizontally it is at a distance of 3.3 meter. So we'll go for that. Okay. So in this lines, or else what we will have, then we will do this. So offset of 3.3 meter in this portion. Then offset of 0.3 meter, trim to this level. So this bedroom is of, vertically it is of a distance of 3 meter. Then we will take an offset of 0.3 meter to provide a wall over here. Then we trim this line till here. Okay, then what we have got nothing over here. So what we will do, we will take these portions off. So now making the wall continuous, we trim this lines. So what we have done, we have created all the rooms here. Now we will see where the windows and doors are provided. So here there is a door over here, and then we have got a window over this side, windows on these sides, window, ventilators are provided, and then window is provided over here, and then windows at the back. Okay, so what we need to do for that, just we want to take here somewhere here a window is provided. So we take a line, then offset it at a distance of 1.2 meter, which is the width of the window. Then in these extra portions, then what we can do in order to highlight the window, simply we can offset this line at a distance of 0.1 meter. Then trim the portions which are not related to window. Okay, this is how the representation of window is made. Similarly, you can make the windows wherever they are provided, and then for the door, what we can do is we can extend it like this. Right, then provide an offset of 0.1, offset of 1.2 meter. Okay. This is the door representation of the door. You can even go for 1.5 as well. So you can offset of 1.5 meter. Then wherever at a specific position windows are there, what we need to do, we need to provide the window. I'm just giving you an example. So we can place the windows here. Okay, similarly, you need to provide the windows wherever the window marking is provided. So now next step is what we need to do. So one thing that we need to understand here. So this is very important. For example, this is the window. You need to write it as W if it's a main window. If it's a main door, you need to write it as D. The representation of D, W, D is very important. Okay. So now what we need to do, the next step, hoping that we provide the windows wherever uh, it is showing in the line diagram. What we will go for is how to represent the dimensions. Okay, we'll discuss one, then we can carry out further. So for that, what we need to do, we need to type MT space, which is nothing but multi-line text. Okay, so in multi-line text, what we can do, we can write the content, whatever the content is required for you. For example, living room. So it's very large in size. So what we can do is we can select this and you can go over here and you can change the size of the text. You can change, you can modify, you can change the type of the text and everything over here in this portion. So living room, what is the living room? The size of the living room is 3 meter by 5 meter. So 3 x 5 So once you do that, what you can do is you can copy it like this. Then you can copy it in every room instead of editing all the time. What you can do is you can copy it once, then you can double click on this and select this one and edit over here. For example, this is a bedroom. Size of the bedroom is how much? Size of the bedroom is 3.3 meter by 3 meter. So just I have to make it as 3.3 meter by 3 meter, right? So as you can see over here. Then I think this one is dining 3 meter by 3 meter. So just select this and replace it by dining, which is nothing but 3 meter by 3. So similarly, you can go ahead for the uh, remaining rooms. Now, let us try to understand how to draw the plan. Okay, so plan is nothing but the front elevation. That means when you are standing in front of a building, what are the things that will be visible to us? For example, this is the front of the building. If I am standing in front of the building, what will be visible to us? A window is visible to me, and another window is visible to me over here. Okay, this door is not visible to us because it is at a perpendicular distance to the front. Okay? It is provided like this, so this door will not be visible to us. So but very important, so for timing I will remove this window here, so that I want to make it center. So you can select it the midpoint of this. So this is very important. Now let us try to understand how to draw the plan. Just in space. Okay. So for that, what I'll do, I'll take construction line, which is nothing but XL space V space. So I'll mark this outer edge, then I'll mark the window and another window over here. Okay. So then what we have got another window over here, and then over here, and one line over here. So now I'll begin the plan. I'm starting with the elevation. So we'll take a reference line from there. So this is our ground level. So what we'll do, we'll trim the lines beneath this. They are not necessary. It's not necessary right now. So this is the ground level. So now we need to specify the different types of level. So we have got ground level, then we have got sill level, we have got plinth level, we have got slab level, then we have got a parapet. So for first thing what we will do, from ground level we go to plinth level. So plinth we can for example, if I provide a plinth of 0.45, which is nothing but 3 steps from the ground level, plinth level should be that means the entrance of the doors sill will be at a distance it will be at a distance of 0.45. According to the requirement it will change. Okay, in this instance I have selected 0.45. Then from this go for lintel level, which is at a distance of 2.1 meter, which is nothing but the height of a window. Okay, after lintel level, the slab level will be provided at distance of 0.9 meter, or if it is specified in the question that you have to select. Okay. Then this is the slab level. Then we have got offset of 0.9 meter, which is nothing but 3 feet to provide the parapet. So apart from that, what we will need is these lines above. So we remove them. This is the ground level, this is the plinth level, this is the slab level, and this one is the parapet above. Okay. So now we need to see where our doors and windows are there, because in the front elevation we are able to see only this window and this window. So that we have marked over here. I think that is outside. Okay, so we have got a window over here. So for example, it is a window of 1.2 meter by 1.5 meter. So I take an offset of 1.5 meter like this. Then include the remaining portion. Then similarly over here, we include the remaining portion, and this one is also not. So now what we can do is we can provide we can take an offset of certain distance to make it look like a proper window. Okay. And we can change these portions. Similarly, we can copy this entire section. See the space, select this point and keep it over here to exactly match. Okay. So this is what we have done. Now the from ground level to this level, where we enter into the house, plinth level, what we need to do, we need to provide stairs. Okay, 0.45. So for example, if we take a riser of 0.15, we have provided the 3 steps. So for that, what I will do, I will take an offset of 0.25 as a level. Then again 0.25, 0.25. You can trim this till here. Then another offset of 0.15 in this direction. Trim them. Trim on this side as well. Now what we need to do, we need to trim these lines and make them into a stairs spot. These are stairs. Yes. Right. So we need to show the ground level marking. is our elevation. Now we need to go for the section. In section, what we need to see again in diagram. So that means they are cutting the entire building over here, and we are standing here and watching in this direction. As you can see over the arrow, that means we are standing over here and we are watching it in this direction. Okay. So now, as you can see here, since we are cutting this, for example, if we take this as a first wall, so at a distance of the next cut is at a distance, vertical distance of 3 meter. So we'll take this wall and then at a distance here. First thing what we'll do is we'll mark these levels XL space, H, XL space, H space. We'll mark the levels. Then we'll take a line. Then we can trim the lines. I'll cover a wall thickness of 0.3 meter. 0.3 meter wall thickness. So we have to cover a wall of at a distance of 3 meter. Offset of 0.3 meter we have taken. Now again we take a offset of 3 meter. Then again the wall thickness is of 0.3 meter. So I'll take offset of 0.3 meter. Then what we have next is 0.3 meter wall we have taken. In our case I have taken 1.4 meter. So we'll take that 1.4 meter. Then offset of 1.2 meter. Offset of 1.4 meter. Offset of 0.3 meter. Then we have got vertically 3 meter offset. So offset of 3 meter and then offset of 0.3 meter. Then we can change the lines. So now what we need to do is so this is your window level. If there is a window, we need to mark it as a window. If there is a door, we have to make it a complete door. If it is a wall, we need to, for example, I have shown here. So similarly, I have taken over here. What we need to do now, wherever we have got a wall, so there we have to take an hatching of ANSI 32. ANSI 32. Okay. So here you have to for a door I have marked it like this, and wherever the concrete is there, for example for the lintel and for the slab, I have taken a slab of 0.125 fine thickness slab. Okay, so like this we need to provide the hatching.